Hi friends. Xiaomi India has released a new power bank. The company has launched Mi Hypersonic power bank with a 20,000 mAh capacity. The power bank is suitable for charging mobile phones, laptops, smartphones, etc. The power bank supports triple output ports that include a single USB Type-C and dual USB Type-A ports. The interesting feature of the Hypersonic power bank is its 50 watts fast charging speed. This costs 2.5 times the standard 20,000 mAh model. Is it worth it? We will see in review video. For now, let us unbox it. It feels a bit like rubber dust on holding it. This is only button in the power bank. It looks like it has 50% charge remaining.